Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Washington Elementary School in Madera, California, home of the Tigers. I'm here in the cafeteria. We just finished with the evening program, the family night, and the topic was positivity, be your best self, right? So for this presentation, we had a really good turnout, students and parents, family members as well. But I wear this shirt for this particular talk. The words are upside down on purpose because if you're feeling down, looking down, feeling sad, it's a reminder to keep your head up, right? To always think positive no matter what. And that's really what we tried to drive home in tonight's session, you know, talking about that we try to have a positive attitude everywhere in our lives and with everyone in our lives. And it's not always easy to maintain that positive outlook, but it's something that we really have to strive for every day, that we have to replace any negative thoughts or beliefs we have about ourselves with something more positive, right? The person we're going to speak to the most in our life is ourselves. We don't want to be telling ourselves something negative. We'd rather tell ourselves something positive, because whatever you tell your brain and your heart, it's going to believe, right? So hopefully we can start thinking more positively. And we always know too that the opposite of success is not failure, it's quitting or it's giving up. And I love the banner here in the lunchroom. It says, "We can do it, Tigers never quit," right? That we keep pushing, we keep persevering, we keep doing our best. We know that true excellence isn't always about being the best, it's just doing your best. You don't always have to get first place, win the race, get 100%. You just got to keep trying your hardest, right? Part of doing our best too is also encouraging others, right? We have to have that self-encouragement and talk kindly to our mind, but also we have to give that out towards the people around us. And that sort of tied into our presentations throughout the day for the students and staff. And that focus was on diversity, and the sub-theme for that was need human kindness, like the logo that you see on the screen here. And my friend and I designed this a few years ago. You see the peace sign inside the heart. That's where peace has to begin. You also notice that there's two people inside the heart, because kindness isn't just about showing it to ourselves. We have to show it to others as well. We have to always show this unconditional love. And that's love without any conditions, that if somebody's taller than us, shorter, wider, skinnier, different skin color than us, if they're born different than us, we can still choose love, right? We can always choose to shine our light. And we know that diversity is our differences. It could be on the outside, it could be on the inside. We have to honor and respect what is on the outer and what's on the inner. And the way that we do this is by opening our heart, right? In a world where you can be anything, where we choose to be kind, we choose to accept, we choose to include, and we choose to show compassion each and every day, where one act of kindness can truly change this world. This also ties into an overarching concept that I bring up in every presentation because it's so important to me, but it's the fact that all of us are true miracles, right? Like I trace on my palm for every assembly that I give, and with the lines on our hand, we all have the letter M. Sometimes a faint line connects it. We have at least one in each hand, and that M stands for miracle. Upside down W stands for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into this, right, now we can go be that light to someone else's heart, someone that's never been told that, someone that has maybe forgot it or just really don't believe it themselves, right? And so if we can start to do this, you know, whether it's the positivity, whether it's the human kindness, whether it's appreciation of diversity, whether it's being our best self each and every day, each and every moment to the best of our ability, that's how we make this world a much brighter place. So thank you so much for touching my heart. It was another beautiful day here at Washington. Hope to see you all again soon. Have a great rest of the school year. And until then, and as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.